Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Cali Cat is over there laying on the bed. Today we have an ice cream beauty box, y'all. Don't know what to think about this one. It came open and mushy. So I don't know what's gonna happen with this one. Alright, so if you don't know what Ice Cream Beauty is, it is a makeup subscription. They do send some skincare, but you're going to get mostly makeup products. Now they have a bag or a box you can get. So 2 different sizes. Their beauty box is 5 to 7 full-size products. You get a palette guaranteed in every box. If you get the bag, it's 3 to 5 full-size products. It's $12.50. For that one, if you use my code, which is Unboxing by G, you get 10% off for the first month. So yay for that. Let's just look and see what's in here because I don't even know. And I'm sitting so close to the camera that I keep looking at myself and not where I'm supposed to be. So I'm sorry about that. Okay, let's see. I am supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in here. Let's just see if there's 5 products in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this duo will be 5. Okay, so I was so scared something would have been leaking, but maybe it just got wet. I don't know, it didn't rain. Very strange. Let's look and see what everything is. So the first thing on here is the Beauty Crop. This is the Coco Rose Blush Palette. I actually think I have this. Hang on, let me see. I really think I had it, but I actually think I gave it to my niece. So that's what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I know I'm going to re-gift it. But this is the Coco Rose Blush Palette. It's a $15 palette. It has Tiki Rose, Passion Fruit, Peach, Beach, and Paradise. Add a sweet flush of color to your complexion with this Coco Rose Blush Palette. It includes 3 sheer matte blushes and 1 shimmer marble blush. The universally flattering shades are highly pigmented and blend seamlessly into your skin for a smooth, healthy color effect to accent cheeks. The compact size makes it easy to travel with and allows you to touch up throughout the day. So very cool. Next on here is Appeal Cosmetics gel liners for eyes or lips. Interesting. Why do I feel like I've gotten these recently too? I don't know. I don't know. We'll open them up. Wait. This is what happens when you open so much makeup. You can't remember what you've opened, what you haven't. So these are, let's see, this is in Muse, and this is in Deep Taupe, and it says it's for your lips or for your eyes. That is weird to me. Is that weird to y'all? Let's see if I can open this up. So here's the tip. Oh wow. I can't imagine using that on your lips. On your eyes, yeah, I could see it. But on your lips? Let's see the next one. Okay. So here is the Muse color. Now that's pretty. That to me is lips. This looks more like eyes. I don't know. So this is a $42 value. These 2 pencils, $42. Wow. All right, next you have MySkinny Mask Australia. This is turmeric and vitamin C clay mask, super hydrating and brightening. And this is a $40 value. Oh, look, it comes with a little brush. Ooh, fancy. Hemp seed oil hydrates. Hakuda plum glows. Turmeric brightens. And green tea invigorates. Okay. Let's smell it. Oh, very mud-esque kind of smell. It's not like one of them good smelling masks. It's just what it is. Of course, you put it on clean skin, which I did not do. Avoid eye areas and wash off with warm water after 10 minutes. So it's just a leave-on mask. Where do I get these bruises, y'all? I don't even know. Anyway, all right, very cool. $40 value. I like this little brush. I don't know why I think that's adorable. Next is Girlactik. This is the Smudge Eraser Stick. It is a $17 value. Smudge Eraser Stick. How to use. Apply the Smudge Eraser Stick to remove unwanted smudges with no pulling or tugging. First, apply the invisible liner to the area that has the smudge. Then take a cotton swab and wipe away. Double up and use the invisible liner to perfect your cat-winged eyeliner. So, okay. Do I have any smudges today? Should I make a smudge so we can see if it works? This is very interesting to me. I've never had anything like this. So, what is it, like a wax or something, and it makes it go away? Well, let's just do this. Okay. And then take a cotton swab and wipe it away. Did I get rid of this? I'm so confused. I mean, but would it have, it would have wiped off if I didn't, I don't understand. I mean, I guess if I had wiped that one spot, I don't know. Have any of y'all ever used this? What in the world? I mean, should we try it on? Let's just see. I really cannot tell. Did it do anything? Yeah, that one's beyond me. I'm just a beauty beginner, not a Girlactik smudge eraser stick kind of person, I guess. $17 value. All right, the last thing is the Beauty Crop Dawngazing Palette. It's $15 value. By the way, this is the September box. This is Autumn at Dawn is the name of it. So here's our palette. It's so shiny and pretty and sparkly. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. I mean, all right. There's not a mirror, so. Wow, look at that glittery. This is like some, you definitely need some glitter glue for this thing. Look at what it's dried to. Look at that. Ooh, look at that glitter. Definitely a glitter glue type of glitter. I'm just going around. All right, just to be, oh, I don't like how that, Beauty Crop doesn't make my favorite eyeshadow formula. I will tell y'all that, but I do like how these colors are darker and more fall. I like those. But you can see they don't swatch super well. What do y'all think? I don't know. This box was kind of missed for me. I mean, this is cute. It'll get used. I'm curious to try the mask. Of course, you know, I've had this one. I wasn't super impressed with this either. I'm going to give it away. Curious about these, but I don't think they're worth $42. And I'm very confused about this. So I don't think this was the best box I've ever gotten from EyeScream Beauty, but it is interesting and it's still fun. So y'all, let me know what you think about EyeScream Beauty. Is it something you're interested in trying or not? I don't think I have any besides that code. I do have that code, but I don't think it helps me out any. All right, I had to take all this stuff off of me. I had a little too much stuff on me. I would love to hear y'all's opinion. Please comment below and let me know what you think of this box. Was this just a miss month, or do you think it's just a miss box? I've gotten some fairly good boxes from them before, and I know a lot of people love them. But I think I'm probably going to take a break from this box just for a bit. Y'all don't come get me or anything, because I know a lot of people love this box because it does go more towards makeup and less skincare, even though I did get skincare. I want to hear y'all's opinion. So please comment below, and I would love it if you would press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free, and I appreciate it so very much. Don't forget to share with your friends and press that little notification bell. If you want to leave a tip for your creator, there are 2 ways to do that now. You have the super thanks down there through YouTube, or you can buy me a cup of coffee. There's a link below for that if you'd like to do it. Y'all, thank you so very much for spending part of your day with me. I hope the rest of it is wonderful. Y'all, God bless.